In the heart of southern Africa, a political drama unfolds. Zimbabwe, a nation rich in history and culture, finds itself once again on the precipice of a potentially catastrophic political event. The man at the center of it all, Emmerson Mnangagwa, is gearing up for a third-term bid, a move that could have dire consequences for the country's already fragile political and economic landscape. To fully comprehend the gravity of the situation, we need to journey back to the year 2017. Robert Mugabe, the long-standing leader of Zimbabwe, was ousted from power, marking the end of an era. The stage was set for new leadership, and it was Emmerson Mnangagwa who stepped into the spotlight. Fast forward to 2023, Mnangagwa, seeking a second term, found himself locked in a fierce battle with opposition leader Nelson Chamisa. Amidst allegations of corruption, economic instability, and a backdrop of a currency crisis, the election was fraught with tension and uncertainty. Despite these challenges, Mnangagwa emerged victorious, securing his second term as the president of Zimbabwe. Now, as we stand in April of 2024, the political landscape of Zimbabwe is once again charged with anticipation. Mnangagwa, showing no signs of stepping down, is preparing for a third-term bid. So what does this mean for Zimbabwe? A third term under Mnangagwa could potentially exacerbate the country's already precarious situation. The economy, plagued by hyperinflation and a struggling public health system, could further deteriorate under the strain of political instability. Trust in the local currency is already at an all-time low, with experts suggesting a return to dollarization as a viable solution. In summary, Mnangagwa's third-term bid paints a grim picture for the future of Zimbabwe. The country, already struggling with economic and political instability, could face further turmoil if Mnangagwa secures another term. The consequences of this political maneuver are yet to be seen, but what is clear is that Zimbabwe is at a critical juncture in its history. The decisions made now will shape the future of the country and its people. In the face of adversity, the resilience and spirit of the Zimbabwean people remain a beacon of hope. The world watches and waits as the political drama in Zimbabwe continues to unfold.